Imagine a place where learning isn't just about sitting in a classroom and listening to lessons.
What if instead you could dive into the world of ideas, make something real, and solve problems that matter?
Welcome to project-based learning.
In project-based learning, you don't just read about things, you do them.
You begin with the big question like, how can we create a garden that helps our community? Or how can we build a robot that can help clean the classroom?
It's a challenge, and it's up to you and your team to figure it out.
You'll start by brainstorming, researching, and planning.
You might read books, talk to experts, or explore the world around you.
Then you take those ideas and start building, testing, and creating.
It's like being a scientist, an artist, and an inventor, all at the same time.
You'll face challenges along the way, and that's the fun part.
Maybe the garden you designed doesn't have enough sunlight or your robot keeps falling over.
But that's okay. In project-based learning, you get to keep trying, experimenting, and improving until you find a solution.
Here's where the magic happens. You're not learning alone.
You're working with your friends, learning how to communicate, solve problems together, and share ideas.
You'll learn from each other and grow as a team. And sometimes you talk to real-world experts, people who do this kind of work every day.
These experts help you see how learning connects to the real world.
Then comes the best part, sharing your project with others.
Whether you're showing off your new garden, your working robot, or the model you've built, you'll get to present your work, tell your story, and celebrate what you've accomplished.
Project-based learning isn't just about finishing a project.
It's about the journey, the ideas you explore, the skills you develop, and the excitement of creating something meaningful.
You're not just learning facts, you're learning how to think, how to solve problems, and how to work together to make your ideas come to life.
Every project is an adventure, and every challenge is a chance to grow.
So, what will you create?
What will you learn?
The world is full of questions waiting for your answers.
With project-based learning, you get to be the one who discover, design, and make a difference.
The world is waiting for you to make your mark. Are you ready to begin your adventure?